Ltd is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of Mini PC. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. We designs and builds Mini PCs from PCB layout to final assembly. Just direct control over quality, lead time, and customization. Our full-stack manufacturing capability enables rapid prototyping, batch scaling, and strict burn-in testing for every unit. Each Mini PC is built using certified components assembled on automated SMT lines. Our commitment to excellence is proven through rigorous 72-hour stability testing and adherence to CE FCC, UKCA, and RoHS standards, ensuring market readiness across North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, and Latin America, while meeting stringent global environmental mandates. As an OEM/ODM powerhouse with extensive expertise, we transform your specifications into mission-critical solutions, from bespoke chassis designs to low MOQ prototyping and scalable mass production. Our engineering innovations solve real-world challenges. Patented thermal architecture sustains 24/7 operation compatibility, enables seamless integration with Windows/Linux OS and Edge AI ecosystems, and energy-efficient designs reduce operational costs while supporting global sustainability goals. We don't just comply, and we exceed. As your direct OEM/ODM partner, we offer end-to-end customization. BIOS-level modifications, pre-installed OS, Windows, Linux, custom logos, enclosures, port layouts, and I/O configurations, bulk packaging, and AMP labeling per region. With on-site engineering support, multilingual sales teams, and 7-day turnaround for sample orders, we eliminate supply chain delays. Over 50,000 global clients trust us for consistent performance, transparent pricing.